Click on the screen, select Car Info, and then select Telephone Bluetooth devices. Add new device in order. Take out your cell phone and connect the stock Bluetooth. After a successful connection, go back to the Linux interface. Go to Settings System and turn the Use Cars BT channel option off. Click Bluetooth to connect to Linux Bluetooth. It will automatically enter the Carplay interface after successful connection. When a call comes in, we click Answer and then select Audio for the original Bluetooth on the phone.
点一下 OK， 然后的话，你这边可以试着用这个挂掉。